Hello guys, mag-shoutout tayo at saka mag-share ng isang video. It's channel. So first on the list, shout out to Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Okay, please do visit her video. She's an awesome performer, pianist, Korean, fantastic performer. This video is from ABBA cover from ABBA, Mamma Mia. So let's share one of Ma'am Shen video ABBA. Copy the link, and then let's go to the community page of mine. Paste, then post. Here you go. Okay. Next is from Hong Kong friend Apendria. Visit their channel also. We have husband and wife channel, and then the Indri official, the wife's channel. They're from Hong Kong. Okay. Forget to visit their channels. Okay. We will share this one. Share your channel, ma'am. Sir. Okay. Let's go up, then paste, post. Here you are. Next. Next is Indri official. Okay. While making the shout out and sharing the video, I'm also playing the video of Mom Lourdes Wasin. Okay, we'll select this one and this one. Select. Okay. Oops, there's an ads. Okay, pangkabuhayan. Okay, so I'll be back for the shout out. Okay. So let's share this one. Copy. Okay. Leave that video running. Okay, slow internet connection, or the laptop is very slow. There you go. Then next, the shout out, and we'll share the video. Is Mrs. Wola. Shout out, ma'am. Then he's from Denmark. lovely couple. Then let's check the video checks. Let's check the video, guys. Right now I'm playing Mamosin video, and this one is from Gian video, Gian channel, Mamosin. So let's keep on supporting and don't skip the harang, pagkabuhayan. So anyway, let's share this video from Wala Hataw Hataw Pamangkin. Okay. Naglo-loading ata. Sorry ha, nag-loading. Okay, let's go to Ma'am Fatima, Ghana, Africa bound. So, nag-loading ang video ang laptop. So, ito na lang yata. Pakita ko lang tong play ko kang Mamosin. It's a road trip from Peking Mall to Genevieve workplace. Okay. Ito na yung kay Mamula. Let's copy the link. Oops, offline. Kaya pala, offline yung internet. Anyway, para bumalik na. And this video is from Ma'am Jian. It's a mukbang or eating show video. So let's support each other, guys. So sunod na lang, medyo na ako ng internet, mahina. Thank you for watching.